How to get YouTube Music Recap. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Then tap on the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest application or latest version of the application on your device. As you can see on the screen, there's an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of YouTube application. So after checking on the updates, tap on open and make sure that you're logged into your account when you land into your YouTube page. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see there's no option of recap. So let's check on the settings icon. So just tap on settings icon over here and then scroll down, and you have no other options to get YouTube Music Recap. So this means this feature is not available as of now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.